What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's been 2 days since I vlogged last. I've just been home here in Pennsylvania enjoying the holidays and enjoying being home. I caught up on some work, which was really nice, but we haven't really been doing much. But today is a little bit more active. We're gonna head to the gym. I have a surprise for you guys after the gym. Then we're gonna get some work done, finish up a video, and then head up to our cabin, which should be exciting. We're having a Wook AF. I only half scoop this because it's pretty strong. I'm not sure if this does the nice magic trick like the other pre-workout, but I'll give it a shot. This one's more of a lighter blue. Really quick, I just want to say thank you to everyone who's been watching the vlog. I've gotten a few comments and some Instagram messages of people that have just been enjoying it. And these are completely new people that I've gotten to meet, which is awesome. It's one of the reasons I love vlogging. Random people around the world can just watch the videos and we can connect, which is just really cool. So thank you for watching, and hopefully I can keep making videos that you guys enjoy to watch. All right, let's head to the gym and get this workout in. Quick update, coming from San Diego back here to Pennsylvania, I forget how cold it gets here in PA. That might have been why I didn't vlog these last 2 days, just because I've been inside. We'll be outside a little bit today for the surprise, and then obviously because we're headed up to the cabin, we have to travel. So getting outside right now is kind of tough. It's hard to get those nice rides to the outdoor gym and hit the outdoor ice bath, but we'll make do. We'll pivot a little bit. Silver punch bag, no punch bags. You mother. We are home from the gym, and right behind me is the surprise that I wanted to show you guys. So let's show you. So because the gyms that I go to here don't have ice baths, and I'm in an ice bath competition with Aiden, my roommate, my parents hooked us up with the Cold Pod, which is like a portable ice bath. So it doesn't have like a filter or anything. You just fill it with cold water and ice, and then if it's cold outside, it'll stay cold. And because it gets to like 32 degrees here at night, it definitely stays cold. So I'll give you a quick little tour of it. Firstly, there's this nice hood that keeps it covered overnight. And then there's these poles that you put in first that give it the structure. Step 2, you blow up the rim, and it comes with a pump. Step 3, fill it with water, and then this nice top goes over it. So let's jump in the ice bath for a few minutes. I want to share with you why I love taking ice baths, and I'd say it's probably because it's the hardest thing I do almost every day. And if you can get this done, you kind of give yourself a nice confidence boost, and then usually everything else during the day is a little bit easier. When I was giving you guys the tour for the vlog, I didn't show you the bottom of this is actually padded, which is kind of nice. Whew. Got about, I think even more than 3 minutes on that one. That was maybe closer to 4 minutes. I'm gonna go take a shower, get myself a nice warm coffee, and get a little editing in for today, and then we'll cruise up to the cabin. Growing up, I always got airplanes. My family or grandparents would get me one of these collector airplanes. My brother got trains and my sister got princesses, I think. I'm gonna hang up one of my airplanes really quick before I head to the cabin. We're gonna bring some of this wood in, get the fire rolling, and I'll give you guys a small little tour of the place.
35 outside and 45 in here.
Got the fire going. Oh yeah, hear that, guys? So yeah, this is our family's cabin here in Pennsylvania. It's just like a 2-story loft, a few bedrooms, a couple bathrooms in the basement, on about 14 acres. Anyone not from like Pennsylvania or has never been to a cabin before, I'll give you a little tour of the outside. This is what the outside looks like. Usually in the fall and summer, obviously a lot more leaves on the trees, so it looks a little bit nicer, but there's still some color out there. We got Josh Gates here.
Hello.
Figuring out the internet. Even though it is a cabin in the woods, we do live in 2023, almost 2024, and we want internet. There's a valley behind us, so at night, if you're up top there, it just looks beautiful. The view of the cabin with the sunset. Bring all the chairs out here onto the lawn. Have a couple lawn games going on during the summer. And then of course, what's a cabin without a nice outdoor fire pit? Jared, if we get a big enough fire going, we actually might be able to sit outside tonight. It's not too cold. All right, my brother and I are gonna figure out the Wi-Fi here. So this will be exciting. All right, we got the power drill out, which can only mean one thing. The boys are building. The internet I showed you, on the top, there's like a fin that should point to the nearest cell tower, and then that amplifies your signal. We ran a test, and the closest tower is actually in the opposite direction of that fin. So we're gonna try to unscrew this thing. My dad is not supporting this project, but Jared and I have it. Let me help the ladder quick. Hold on. It looks like the house is on fire. The house is not on fire. We're just having a bonfire. We fixed the internet, which was exciting. It's kind of cold on the hands. We're just gonna chill by the fireplace. Not much else going on today. Hope today was exciting for you guys, and it was kind of random, ice baths and going to the gym and then coming here. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. I'm signing off for the night. Good night, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna drop a cool nighttime time lapse right now. Peace.